Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the service. I'm exploring the website https://thecreditdoctors.com. This appears to be a platform focused on credit repair services. While I'm not endorsing their services, I'm taking a look at their online presence to see what they offer and how they present their information. A quick glance reveals a clean, modern design with sections highlighting their various services. They seem to emphasize their expertise in fixing credit reports, improving credit scores, and offering credit education. The website offers a free consultation, which is a common practice in this industry. They also have a section dedicated to customer testimonials, which, of course, should be viewed with a healthy dose of skepticism, as these are typically curated selections. They also provide a blog with articles covering various credit-related topics. This can be a useful resource for general information, but it's always a good idea to cross-reference information with other reputable sources. It looks like they are trying to establish themselves as a trusted authority on credit repair. It's important to remember that credit repair is a complex process, and results can vary. There's no quick fix, and any company promising guaranteed results should be viewed with caution. I'm interested to see how they detail their process and what specific strategies they employ to help clients. The site features sections on disputing inaccurate information, negotiating with creditors, and developing personalized credit improvement plans. This suggests a comprehensive approach, though it's crucial to understand the details and potential costs involved before committing to any service. It appears they aim to empower individuals to take control of their credit health. They emphasize the importance of legal compliance and ethical practices, which is reassuring. They also provide information about their team and their qualifications. Transparency is key in this industry, so it's good to see them putting faces and credentials to their name. Navigating the site is fairly easy, and they provide clear contact information. Remember to do your own thorough research before engaging with any credit repair service. There are many resources available to help you understand your rights and options when it comes to improving your credit. Ultimately, the effectiveness of any credit repair service depends on individual circumstances and the accuracy of the information on your credit report. While exploring the website provides some insights, it's crucial to conduct further investigation and seek professional advice if needed. Remember, building good credit takes time and effort, and there are no shortcuts to a perfect score. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for additional resources. Thanks for watching.